by default, Blender shows up in the metric system, utilizes the metric system. So this cube, for example, the default cube that you get in scenes is 2 meters by 2 meters by 2 meters. However, I'm dabbling right now with a architecturally based project, and it's the United States. So the Imperial system it is. To switch over to the Imperial system, if I go to Scene Properties, there is an option for units, and I can switch from metric to Imperial. And once that happens, this 2 meter by 2 meter by 2 meter cube will show up as being 6.56 feet by 6.56 feet, etc. So hopefully that is of some use to you from time to time.